Hello everyone, I am Govardhan and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you seen in thumbnail, today we are going to develop a number guessing game using Java. These are the specifications of our project. The system is going to generate a random number between 1 to 100 and then user is need to enter the number through guessing. Then the computer tells whether you guessed the number perfectly or not, and it also tells whether your guessed number is higher or lower than the generated number. The game continues until the user guesses the number perfectly. We can add further specifications for this project, like limiting the number of attempts, adding more rounds, and displaying score and giving points based on the number of attempts. This is how our project works. Now let's get into developing our project. Let me open Eclipse. I'm using Eclipse for writing Java code, guys. You can use any type of software as your wish. There is no problem. First I'll create a class named as I'll create number guess game. Yeah, I created a Java file named as number guess game, and I created a class named as number guess game. First I need to import random. See guys, for system randomly generating a number, we need a random package. For that, first we need to import. So let me import it. We have to use the command import java.util random. Next I need to take the input from the user. For that we need to import scanner class scanner. Yeah, that's it. Sorry, it is capital letter, guys. Random. That's it. Now I'm going to create the variables. An integer. I'm going to create first a minimum range is equals to 1, and I'm going to create another number named as max range is equals to 100. This is the range of the number that computer is going to pick a random number between the range of 1 to 100, guys. So we are giving minimum range is equals to 1 and maximum range is equals to 100. Next I'm going to give a number of attempts to guess the number. So let me give max attempts is equals to, so I'll give 5 attempts, guys. Maybe 5 is little bit very less, so I'll give 6 attempts. Next I'm going to give number of rounds, int max rounds. So we will play game until 3 rounds, guys. So next I'm going to create a public static void named as main. I'm going to pass the string aux. Then I'm going to create a random method. Random is equals to new random. We are using the thing that we imported, guys, here. Next I'm going to import the scanner class also. Scanner sc is equals to new scanner system.in. This helps to take input from the user, guys. Next I'm going to create a variable named as score let me name it as total score. Total score is equals to 0. Okay, that's it. At the starting of the game, I want to print welcome to number guessing game. So let me write the code for this. System.out.println. I'm going to first print welcome to number guessing game. Okay, so I'll give some line space also, guys, so that we didn't get confused. Okay, small n. It creates a next line, guys, after printing this. And next I'm going to print system.out.println total number of rounds. Total number of rounds is equals to 3. Next I will print number of attempts for each round. So for that, system.out.println I'll print number of attempts for each round or 6. I'm gonna give some space here. That's it. Yeah, guys, this is first I show them welcome message. Next I will show them total number of rounds and number of attempts they have for each round to guess the number. Till now we just shown the instructions to the user who are guessing the number. Now we are going to go into the main project now. So here I will create a loop for int I is equals to 1, I less than max rounds. I plus plus. See, guys, here we need to make the I as static int to use them in a loop. So let me make it as public static. So in the same way I will make the all variables into public static ints so that we can easily access them, so that their value will be constant at the entire program. Okay, guys, now here I'm going to generate a random number for guessing. So int number is equals to random dot next int of max range plus min range. See, guys, here we are picking a random number from 0 to 100, guys. It randomly picks a number from 0 to 100. Then we are going to add 1 to it, so make it the number between 1 to 100. That's why we are using this here. Don't get confused. Next, I'm going to take initial number of attempts, the current attempts. So let me name it as current attempts. that is equals to 0. The initial number of attempt is current attempts. Next I'm going to print system.out.println. I'm going to print the round number here, current round, let me print it, current round. So here I'm gonna print the round number. Next I'm going to print guess the number between the minimum range and maximum range in certain number of attempts. Next I'm gonna give gap comma I. See guys, for this percentage d we are gonna take the I value. See guys, I think all of you had know that percentage d we can use this variable now, this one. Next for this percentage d I'm gonna give min range. Next for this percentage d I'm gonna give max range. Next for this one I'm going to give max attempts. Let me give it max attempts. I think that's it, we are good to go. See guys, here we are going to print there is an error here. It is printf guys. When we are using this percentage d we have to use printf instead of println. Sorry, this is small f. Printf. Now yes, we are good to go. Here we are printing current round, the round number, guess the number between the min range and max range in max attempts. We are using percentage d to print these values guys, don't get confused. I think you got my point. Next I will go into the next line. Next here I am going to create a while loop guys. I will show you. We are creating a while loop here while checking whether the number of attempts are completed or not, while current attempts is less than max attempts, then we are going to system, let me decrease it the size so that it would be visible for you. Then we are gonna print system.out.println. I'm doing spelling mistake guys, lot of spelling mistake, don't be like me. Enter your guess. Now we are going to take the input from the user, int guess number is equals to scanner dot next int. Yeah, sorry, it is sc dot int guys. See, we are here, we have made scanner sc is equals to new scanner system dot in. So here we go, we need to use sc. Next we are going to increase the current attempts by 1 because we are attempted one time. current attempts are going to increase by 1 because we used one attempt. Next we are going to check if the guess number is equals to our generated number, guys. Here we are check that whether we are in the limit of the attempts, means here we just have only 6 attempts, guys. We can only able to guess the number 6 times. We have only 6 chances to get the number. That's why we are using while loop here. Now we are going to check if guess number is equals to our generated number. If the guess number is equals to our generated number, then the score will be calculated, guys. The score will be equals to max attempts minus current attempts. See guys, if we guess in the first attempt, means then our score will become 6 minus 0 is equals to 6. When we guess on the second attempt, means then our score will be 5. If we guess on third attempt, means then our score will be 4. If we guess on fourth attempt, means then score will be 2. Like this our score will be calculated, guys. Our score is equals to max attempt minus current attempts, and this round score will be added to the total score. Let me add it to the total score. Total score is equals to plus score. So we added the score to our total score. Then we are gonna print system.out.println congrats, you successfully guessed the number. And we are also gonna print the number of attempts that he take to guess the number and also the current round score. Let me print them. Attempts is equals to, see guys, here I am using %d. While using %d, you have to use printf, and I am going to then print the round score also. Round score, here also I am using %d. So in these two places I am gonna print the attempts and score. Let me print it. Attempts, comma, sorry guys, it is current attempts, not, I named the variable as current attempts. Here you can see that. So it is current attempts. Okay, that's it. And next it is score. Oh yeah guys, was nice. And I'm gonna break this round. Now next, if he does not successfully guess the number, means then I am going to check if the guessed number is less than the generated number or greater than the generated number. So for that I have to use else if here I'm going to give, I have to give the condition guess number is less than the number. If the guess number is less than the number, then I'm going to print the number is greater than his guessed number. I'm going to give this percentage d value as guessed number, and also I am going to print the attempts left so that he can know how many attempts does he left while playing the game. Okay, that's it. Here it is. I'm going to give percentage d. While using percentage d, we have to use printf, guys. Don't forget that, otherwise you will get an error. So here I'm going to use guess number. This percentage d is equals to guess number, and for here we need to print the attempts left. For calculating number of attempts left, we have to minus the attempts from max attempts. So let me do that quickly. Max attempts minus the current attempts. And that's it, guys. Here also we need to be checked for less than, guessed number is less than generated number condition. Now we have to check for guessed number is greater than generated number condition. For that, let me copy it quickly and do coding so that it could be easy for me. I don't need to write the code again. So here the number is less than, here it is greater than. I forgot to type attempts left. Okay, yeah, that's it, guys. This condition suits. Next, we will come out of this loop. Here we gonna check if our current attempts is equals to max attempts. If our current attempts is equals to max attempt, means we use all the number of attempts that we have to guess the number and we lost. So we need to print system dot out dot println. Here we're gonna print you lost. In this round. So let me print the round number, guys, so that it would be easy for the user to know which round he was playing. So I'm gonna use printf here also. While using %d, we have to use printf. Don't forget that. Next, I'm also print the attempts equals to 0. He used all his attempts without guessing the correct number. So yeah, that's it. Next, and also I'm gonna print the number that he didn't guess. Print f the random number is, I have to use this, the random number is, here I'm going to use %d. So I'm gonna print the number. So let me give a line space here. Okay, that's it. After the completion of all the rounds, I need to print the total score of the user. So let me do that quickly. So I'm printing the total score of the user here. System.out.print f game over. Here it is, game over. And also I'm printing the total score here. Total score is equals to %d slash n. So I'm going to print the total score in place of %d. Yeah, that's it guys. Looks like our program is ready to run. I forgot to close the scanner class. Let me close this scanner class quickly. sc.close. That's it. Now let me run this program and check our project. Let me run it fastly. Yeah, here it is asking to enter your guess. I'll enter 22. It was saying the number is greater than 22. So and also asking to enter our guess. So I'll enter 55. The number is less than 55. I'll enter 40. The number is greater than 40, 45. Number is greater than 45 also, 50. Number is greater than 50. So I'll enter 53. So I lost this round guys. I have two more rounds. Let me try again. I'll enter the number now as 70. Number is less than 70. So I'll enter 50 now. Number is greater than 50, 60. Number is greater than 60, 65. Number is greater than 65. So I'll enter 66, 67. So I lost this round also. Let me play again. See guys, looks like our program reached. Now I will try the game with 10 attempts guys. It was little bit difficult with a very less number of 6 attempts. So here it is, not less than or equals to. Let me play 3 rounds. So I'll run the program again. Wait guys. Here it was printing. I need to give space here. Where is attempts left? Yeah, here. I'll give a space here. Now our project is ready, I think. Let me run it. It was asking me guess the number. I'll guess it as 50. The number is less than 50, so 20. Number is less than 20, 10. Number is less than 10, 5. Oh, congrats. Now we guess the number perfectly guys. See, you can. Our round score is 6. Now let's play another round. So I'll guess the number now as 40. Number is less than 40, so it was 30. greater than 30, 35. Yeah, now also we won, guys. You can see that. Now let's play the last round. Let me play the last round. I'll guess the number as 30. Number is less than 30, 20. Number is less than 20, 10. Number is less than 10, 5. Less than 5, 1. Greater than 1, 3. Yeah, we finally completed, guys. Our game was over and our total score is 4. You can see that our game was over. That's it, guys. This is our project. Thank you for watching. Meet you tomorrow with another exciting project. Thank you all.